Kami ni Mrs. Ano bang tamang word? Mrs. Balab. Nagkakilala kami sa way back 14 years ago. 15. Nagkakilala kami sa Allied Bank.
Paano bang mababawi lahat ng mga nasabi?
Actually, si Maricar kasi, fans ko sa basketball dati. Lagi nanonood sa game ko. Tapos, yun, laging every game namin sa Interbank nun, lagi siyang nanonood.
Sa isang iglap, nagbagong lahat. Hindi ko na kaya pa.
Hindi ko siya pinapansin actually. Kaya biglang yun nga, nagpapapansin. Binigyan ko na ng pansin. Ganon. And then after that, yun, dating. Tapos, yun, the rest is history.
We actually married in a civil wedding. We both are parents. Ayun. So, after 16 years, we had 2 kids. One is 15 and 13. And then, the rest is history na.
Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking wakas.
Marriage is not about chocolates and rainbows and flowers and colors, okay? It is about, okay, harmonizing. In spite of all the despites, okay? It is about making both ends meet. It is about selflessness in order to learn how to be self-giving. Marriage is about self-giving.
Ngayon, dumating na yung araw na to na matagal na namin pinagplanuhan na ma-bless kami sa church. Gladly, and by rin ni God, nabigyan kami ng chance na makapagpakasal pa after 14 years.
I will always be here for him. No matter what, and I love him very much.
Lagi ko sinasabi sa ito, hindi man ikaw yung pinakamagandang babaeng nakilala ko, pero ikaw yung pinakamagandang dumating sa buhay ko.
Dumadayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking
Maricar, sabi ko lang, mahal na mahal kita. At thank you sa lahat. See you mamaya sa pag-iisang dibdib natin ulit. At pag-receive ng church, ng blessing ni God sa church wedding natin.
Alam niya naman na mahal ko siya. Lagi ako nandyan para sa kanya. Kahit ano man yung mangyari. Love you, Daddy. I love you, love Ryan. I will always be here for you, no matter what.
Ikaw yung kumpas nung naliligaw.
Maricar, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ryan, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Kahit nung di ko alam, ilang beses